We're at Magic Kingdom. It's a little after 8 and we have a breakfast reservation at Be Our Guest. So
see the Mickey flag up there?
Christmas tree. Morning. Get the castle, guys.
Castle, we made it.
It is so pretty. Already feeling raindrops.
Yeah.
Gonna be a rainy day. Very quiet. Waterfall. What did you get?
Croque Monsieur.
Croque Madame, right? Or was it? One of those. But it has like ham and cheese on it. And then I got the croissant donut. I got that last time. It was so good. And then what did you get? You have a blueberry muffin. That came on our little pastry plate. The croissant and cinnamon roll, and then the kids got French toast. So it's 9 o'clock now. We just finished eating and it's kind of cleared out, I think, because everybody is going to the park and going on rides because it opens at 9. So it's really quiet right now. Okay, riding the carousel first. Of course. Yay! Hudson! You having fun? All right. Here we go. You look for a spider? It's not. It's a spider. I think it looks like a crab. It's a crab.
Now, you scurvy scoundrels, do I hear 10? A hen for a 10!
I think this is the rainiest day we've ever had.
Pretty much.
It was rainy that one day, but it didn't last this long. What you saying, bud?
We're at Disney World.
We're at Disney World.
Where we at, bud?
It's rainy. It's raining at Disney World. It stopped raining. Come on, guys.
Stop raining.
Yeah. No more thunder. Yeah. Okay, follow Daddy. Come on.
It's done raining. Time to hit the rides. Let's
We
go.
just had lunch at Cosmic Rays.
Yeah.
Give it a
Give it a 5 out of 10.
Yeah, it was alright. We were just like soaked to the bone, but it finally stopped raining, so we're gonna go on the Barnstormer. As you can see, we were like drenched and cold. Luckily, we had warmer shirts. Come on, bud. Okay, ready? Ready, Hudson?
Wait for the camera.
Woo! Starting to rain again.
Yeah, at this point we're already soaked.
Woo! Do you like it, bud? Do it again. Okay, so we just spent like 15 minutes changing their clothes and getting them all dry, and we walked out and it started pouring down rain again. So we came into Dumbo to try and take some cover. Are you playing the fireworks? You want to go up on that? You can do it, honey. Go ahead. But when mommy calls you, you need to come down, okay? But you can go up. Whoa. Down on your bottom next time, bud. The cars are working? All right, you want to ride them? All right. Let's do it. It's 2 o'clock and the parade is starting soon. We always miss the parade because it's kind of at a difficult time for us, like right when the kids need to be taking a nap, so, or it's too hot in the summer at like 3, so sad to miss the parade, but we need to get back and take a little break. Main Street is just so pretty with all the Christmas decorations. I love it. We're at Epcot after a long nap. The kids took a long nap and Scott and I both took a nap too. We were exhausted after being rained on all day at Magic Kingdom, so we really don't have much of a plan tonight except to walk around and see the Christmas decorations and maybe meet Mickey here in a minute. Pit stop at Club Cool for some, they call it juice. Is it good?
The next family can go on up.
Okay.
You guys can walk all the way into the room and place your bags all the way to the
Okay.
wall.
All right. Look who it is. It's Minnie and Pluto. You guys see the tree?
What do you think of the tree, guys? How tall do you think the tree is?
There's something up there.
Yeah.
What's up there? I think looks like a bird.
It's not a bird, Mommy. It's an angel.
Oh, you're right. It's an angel. You're right. It's not a bird. Thanks for correcting me. I think that's an angel.
I think you know that way to get out of here.
So Scott got
Chicken wrap.
we're at, is it Tangerine Cafe? I don't know how you pronounce it. But you got the chicken wrap.
Yep.
And I got the vegetable platter. Has like olives and falafel and hummus. Kids got a burger. But we've never been here before, so kind of different and it looks good. How's your ice cream?
Good.
Or it's gelato. It's good, huh?
On the piazza.
Piazza in Italy. How's yours, bud? You know what? There's 3 kinds in there. There's chocolate and vanilla and pistachio.
Oh,
There's 3 kinds of ice cream in there.